Hi, friends. Today we are in Kingston, Tennessee, on a property that is all about opportunity. Sitting on 17.7 acres, this home and land package gives you the space, the privacy, and the amenities already in place. It just needs the right vision to bring it back to life. Let's start with the home. Right now, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath layout with over 1,700 square feet on the main level. But here's the exciting part. The basement, which currently has fire damage, is unfinished and ready for transformation. If you decide to rebuild and refinish, you could unlock an additional 1,100 square feet, plus another bedroom and bathroom. Imagine the flexibility that gives you, whether it's expanding for your family, creating a guest suite, or designing a full recreation space. The property is being sold as is, but that's exactly what makes it such an incredible opportunity. You're not paying for someone else's renovations, you get to restore, rebuild, or completely redesign the space into the home of your dreams. Step outside and you'll find even more reasons to love this place. There's an 18 by 36 in-ground pool, perfect for summer days, entertaining friends, or just relaxing after a long week. You've also got 17.7 acres of open space and wooded privacy, giving you endless options. Whether it's gardening, hunting, farming, or simply enjoying the peace and quiet, this acreage is a rare find in Kingston. And for my buyers who need storage or love to work on projects, there's a 30 by 40 detached workshop. Plenty of room for vehicles, equipment, hobbies, or even setting up a small business space. With no known restrictions, the possibilities are wide open. Keep it as a private homestead, build it out for family, or create something new altogether. This is more than just a home with land. It's a blank canvas with the hard parts already in place: location, acreage, pool, and workshop. All it needs is someone with the vision to take it to the next level. Showings begin Friday, August 5th, 2025. Don't miss this chance to create